welcome to BBC World News. Today we have a report on a oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico. This is an example of a negative externality of production. This is a picture of the oil spill seen in the Gulf of Mexico off the coast of Louisiana. BP claimed a key victory Wednesday in the effort to plug its blown-out well as the government reports that much of the spilled oil is gone, though what's left is still nearly 5 times the amount that poured from the Exxon Valdez. This graph shows the negative externality of production. A negative externality of production is when the marginal social cost is higher than the marginal private cost. There are spillover effects that arise from the production of the product. The distance between the marginal private cost and the marginal social cost is known as the external cost. There is also a deadweight loss because of the over-allocation of resources. There are different ways to correct negative externalities of production. This graph shows one of these ways, which is by taxation. Taxes are included for people producing the negative externalities. There are problems to environmental taxes. It is difficult to assign accurate monetary value to the external costs such as pollution created by producers. This can lead to the expansion of gray market where producers try to avoid the taxes. It is also very hard to directly pinpoint the producers of negative externalities. It might not be fair for producers to all be taxed the same amount if one producer is producing more negative externalities than the other. Producers might also be able to pass on the burden of the tax to the consumers if the demand for the good is inelastic. In conclusion, the negative externalities can be reduced by taxation to make up for the external cost, but it still affects the public. Even though the oil spill has been reduced, it is still affecting the general public. Thank you for your attention. Good night.